Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Izin memperkenalkan diri, nama saya Rukun Budi Santosa. Saya dari Fakultas Ekonomi dan Bisnis, Program Studi Manajemen. Di video kali ini saya akan menjelaskan tentang Understanding Inflation, a Macroeconomic Imperative. Inflation erodes purchasing power and impact global economics, making it a critical focus for economic stability and financial planning. The US CPI peaked at 9,1% in Juni tahun 2022, while the Federal Reserve target a 2% annual rate. What is inflation? Definition and measurement. Definition: sustained increase in general price level of goods and services. Measurement: primarily through consumer price index (CPI) and personal consumption in expenditure (PCE). Core CPI excludes volatile food and energy price for clearer trend analysis. CPI component: cost 34%, transportation 17%, food 13% in the US consumer basket. Demand pull inflation occurs when a greater demand outpaces supply. Post-COVID stimulus led to increase consumer spending, with US M2 money supply surging 26% in tahun 2020 sampai 2021. Cost push inflation result from increased production cost passed on to consumer, global supply chain disruption, and energy price spikes, e.g. oil over sebesar 120 US dollar atau barrel in tahun 2022 due to Rusia-Ukraine war. Are prime example. Semiconductor sold tax reset new car price by 12% in tahun 2021. Economic impact of inflation eroding wealth: 0,85 US dollar purchasing power dollar in tahun 2020 by only 0,85 dolar in tahun 2023 due to inflation. 35 saving value 2% inflation help saving value in 35 tahun. Berkurang 2,5% real wage average real wage decrease 2,5% in tahun 2022 as inflation outpaces wage growth. Fixed borrowers benefit: inflation reduces the real value of fixed debts, benefit borrowers. The current inflation landscape, US and global trends. As of Desember tahun 2023, US CPI standard at 3,4%, driven by shelter costs, energy volatility and service inflation. Global inflation average 6,9% in tahun 2023, showing easing. Goods inflation due to supply chain improvement, but present service inflation from tight labor markets. Monetary policy response: Federal Reserve role, goals: price stability, 2% inflation, and maximum improvement. Tools: federal fund rate adjustment and quantitative tightening. Action: Fed raised rates 11 times March tahun 2022 sampai Juli tahun 2023, rates 5,25% sampai 5,50%. Balance sheet reduced by over 1 T US dollar. Fiscal policies and supply side solution. Fiscal policy, government spending and taxations measure the infrastructure, investment and jobs Act tahun 2021 aims to boost supply. Less common are tax hikes or spending cut to reduce aggregate demand. Supply side solution address root cause of supply constraints, invest in technology, education, and infrastructure to boost productive, regulatory reform, and promote competition, and also reduce business costs and prevent monopolistic pricing. Consolidating navigation the inflationary environment. Complex phenomenon, inflation in multifaceted, driven by both demand pull and cost push factors, widespread impacts affect consumers, businesses, and investment significantly. Policy intervention, central banks and government use diverse tools to manage it. Informed decisions. Understanding inflation is crucial for sound economic and financial choice.